today is broken. Recruiters are buried in resumes. Interviews take weeks to schedule, and great candidates drop off before decisions are made. That's exactly where AI is transformative. It can do far more today than it could just a year ago. In this video, we are breaking down 10 best AI interview tools in 2026, what they do, who they are best for, and how top HR teams are using them to hire faster, screen at scale, and reduce hiring costs dramatically. Whether you're a recruitment leader, a HR head, or a hiring manager looking to modernize hiring, this video is for you. Number 1. PeopleBox.ai, best for high volume hiring across both frontline and knowledge workers, from hyper-growth companies to large enterprises. This is all-in-one AI interview platform where the AI interviewer, Nova, conducts human-like interviews and generates structured hiring insights for faster and fairer decisions. What it does? End-to-end AI interview with two-way human-like conversation, chat, phone, and video screening, coding, and non-tech assessments. Conversational AI using chat and text, plus attribute-level candidate scoring with ATS integrations. Perfect for teams hiring at scale who wants to drastically reduce recruiters and hiring manager workload. Number 2. HireVue, best for medium to large enterprise hiring technical roles, a pioneer in AI-powered video interviews designed to support large-scale hiring with structured and standardized evaluation. What it does? High-volume video interviewing with structured questions and predictive analytics, automated candidate scoring, enterprise ATS integrations with Workday, SAP, and Oracle, plus custom branding and question libraries, ideal for organizations with complex high-volume hiring needs. Number 3, Paradox.ai, best for high-volume recruiters in retail, hospitality, and hourly hiring. An AI assistant that engages candidates through real-time chat to screen, answer FAQs, and automatically handle interview scheduling. What it does? Conversational candidate screening and scheduling via AI chat, automated reminders, FAQ handlings, and a strong candidate experience for high volume roles, perfect for teams that want to automate candidate engagement at the top of the funnel. Number 4, My Interview, best for startups and small teams with limited recruiting budgets. A simple video interview tool that lets recruiters review candidate responses on their own time with basic AI assistance. What it does? It synchronizes video interviews with pre-recorded questions, AI-powered candidate ranking, and a free plan for small teams. Great for lean teams getting started with AI-assisted hiring. Number 5, Sapia.ai, best for organizations with strong diversity, equity, and inclusion commitments. Sapia runs through structured chat interviews using natural language processing to deliver fair, bias-aware candidate insights. What it does? Text-based conversational interviews powered by NLP, bias-based and ethical, AI frameworks, psychometric and behavioral insights, and DEI-aligned hiring analytics, perfect for companies prioritizing fairness and illusion in hiring process. Number 6, HireLogic, best for hiring teams focused on improving interviewer quality and consistency. HireLogic enhances interview by automatically transcribing, summarizing, and scoring conversations for better decision making. What it does? Interview intelligence with real-time transcription, automated summaries and scoring interview coaching insights, improve consistency across your hiring process. Ideal for teams wanting to train interviewers and standardize evaluation. Number 7, Talview, best for enterprise with strict compliance and security requirements. A comprehensive hiring platform combining AI interviews, assessments, and remote proctoring. What it does? AI interviews with skill assessment and proctoring, skill-based evaluation, ATS and LMS integrations, strong compliance and security controls. Great for regulated industries like finance, healthcare, and government. Number 8, XOR.ai. High velocity recruiting teams focus on speed. XOR automates screening, scheduling, and candidate follow ups using AI chat. What it does? Recruitment process automation via AI chatbot, automated candidate screening and interviewing scheduling. Resume screening support significantly reduces time to hire. Perfect for staffing agencies and teams with aggressive hiring timelines. Number 9, Vidcruiter. Best for global companies hiring across multiple countries and languages. an enterprise-grade platform for automated interview scheduling and remote video interviews. What it does? Live and recorded video interviews with multiple language support, advanced scheduling automation, enterprise grade security and compliance features, ideal for international organizations with diverse distributed hiring needs. Number 10, Breezy HR, best for small and medium sized businesses taking their first step into AI hiring. A lightweight ATS with basic AI automation to simplify recruiting for small teams. What it does? AI assisted hiring with resume parsing, interview scheduling, automation, visual candidate pipeline, affordable, SMB friendly pricing. Great for growing companies that need simple, cost effective recruiting tools. And there you have it, the 10 best AI interview tools in 2026. These platforms are helping teams hire fast, reduce recruiter and hiring manager workload, and focus on what really matters, finding the right talent. So, which tool would you try first? Drop a comment below and let us know. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more AI hiring insights. Thanks for watching and happy hiring!